Hello friends, we are discussing about the armature reactions of DC machines. So at first, what is armature reactions? Armature reactions is nothing but the shifting of magnetical neutral axis from the geometrical neutral axis. As we know that the DC machines have mainly two flux, that is main flux due to main pole and armature flux due to the armature winding. In DC machine, flux due to the main pole is called main flux, and however current flowing through the armature conductor also create a magnetic flux, that is the armature flux, that distort or weak the main flux. This distortion and weakening take place both generator and motor. This action is actually the armature reactions. So effect of armature reaction, actually effect of armature reactions that reduce the net main field flux and distort the main field flux along the air gap periphery. Net field flux reduction that reduce the generation of terminal voltage and as well as it will reduce the torque, and distortion of main field flux affect the delay commutation So next, here showing three figure. First figure, we are taking only the field is excited, and now geometrical neutral axis and magnetical neutral axis coincide each other, that is the Q, and here this is the direct axis. So from north pole to south pole, flux leaving from the north pole and entering the south pole. So this is the main field line, taking it is horizontal O. Okay. Now in second, we are taking that only armature winding is excited. Under north pole we are taking cross, and under south pole we are taking dot, and here this one is the direction of rotation by applying the thumb rules. So here the armature flux is vertically downward, showing OB. Now when both armature and field winding is excited, that means if you are taking field and now excited and similarly armature winding also excited, so armature flux perpendicular to the field flux, that means armature flux cross the main field flux, so the nature is cross magnetizing. If we saw that the upper half of north pole here in this figure, flux is tending same as the lower half of the south pole. That's why the magnetical neutral axis shifted from the geometrical neutral axis at an angle theta. So at now current reversal not take place in geometrical neutral axis. Actually current reversal take place after this, so it will delay the commutation process. So shifting this MNA axis from GNA axis is nothing but due to the armature reaction. Next slide, we are discussing about the graphical representation of armature reaction. Here again taking two pole machines, it will show linearly. At first figure we are not exciting the armature, that means there is no armature current. This is the geometrical neutral axis, that is GNA, over the brass axis, or Q. Under south pole flux is entering and under north pole flux is leaving. So actually the nature of main flux distribution, from if you are starting from geometrical neutral axis, flux distribution is 0. There is a neutral axis, so here 0. Now is traversing this path, the density increases, and here the flux density is uniform. Under south pole we are taking that the positive, and under north pole we are taking the negative nature. Actually this nature is flat top nature, or sometimes called trapezoidal nature. Now when we are taking only the armature winding is excited, so under south pole again we are taking that the system have armature winding has dot, and under north pole armature winding has cross. Now encircling this, okay. Now at figure 4, very important figure. So here look at this, we are draw two things, that is one is the triangular shape armature MMF and another is armature flux density waveform shown in dotted line. So from here flux are nature of flux line are direction of flux line are this direction, that is clockwise direction, it will clockwise direction, okay, the form air gap to armature path. So taking a small negative here, okay. Now encirclement is increased, so this one is greater negative rather than this one. After that the flux line direction is unchanged, after this position is changed, so this position is 0. Then after that we are taking the positive, as we are taking negative here we are taking positive here, so this increment linearly, then decrement, okay. So same mirror about the north pole. So as you know, the flux is MMF by reluctance, that is flux into reluctance equal to MMF. So here offer of reluctance is much more, air gap is greater, so we are taking negative under this position, so linearly goes. Here offer of reluctance is less, so the value is less compared to these positions. Now at middle of this offer of reluctance minimum taking 0, then increasing, and in between brass axis offer of reluctance much, so taking armature MMF at now is greater value. Now under north pole drawing same concept but in either direction. Okay, minimum 0. Here the offer of direction much negative. Here offer of direction bigger, another bigger value, this one, and in brass axis greater value. Okay, so when we consider both armature and field winding are excited, look at this. Upper end of the north pole flux density is high rather than the lower end of south, lower end of north pole. So flux is now distorted. Okay, that means flux have line path this one A position. Okay, look at this flux line. It has another path here. So actually current 0 not occur here. Current 0 occur after this path. That is, at now magnetically neutral axis shifted. Okay, similarly for south pole. Okay, flux path now distorted. It will not 0 at brass axis, so it is shifted at an angle. Look at this last figure, it is shifted the angle theta. So this one is the distortion of flux density, that is the resultant flux density when both armature winding and field winding acted or machine loaded. So shifting the magnetical neutral axis from the geometrical neutral axis is nothing but the armature reaction. Hope students you are understand this lecture. If you have any problem or query, please contact me. Thank you.